Hello, I'm going to do a insulating deal for my van, to the cab, the back. It's just super loud. I got this Dynamat, super expensive on Amazon. 9 sheets, 4 square feet each, so you don't get very much. It's like 200 bucks. But let me show you what I'm doing here. I've got this big box van, and that's the cab. I'm gonna insulate all that. It's just super loud and annoying when I'm driving. And I don't know, I know that styrofoam works pretty good for insulation, cardboard. Maybe if anybody has any comparisons with styrofoam and cardboard, something cheap versus this Dynamat stuff, you can let me know in the comments. So far, this is what I've got. I'm just trying to get up around the edges and the corners. But when I was working on this stuff, I realized this this blue foam rubber mat stuff. I don't know what this stuff is, but it's probably a lot cheaper, a lot less expensive than the Dynamat. It looks like it would insulate pretty good. It fits really well in between these kind of partitions, so I might just use what I have on the Dynamat and then cut. I just using that that metal tape, so works pretty good, I think, for sliding into places that you can't get into because the stuff's sticky. So you have to unpeel it and then slide it up into certain places, and it's just impossible. You can't really do it. So yeah, I might just try buying some more of this stuff, cutting this stuff up and installing it in between these partitions here with that tape. That way it'd be a lot less permanent and a lot less expensive. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, all done. Sorry about the shaky camera. Nothing worse than when someone makes a YouTube video and can't hold the camera still, but just trying to show you here what I got going. So yeah, just did all the seams on the inside and then went around the outside, and this is all sealed on the other side. So I don't know, it's so expensive. I don't know if I want to buy another one or just use some of this foam stuff for what I got left. I don't think you can buy a few. I think 9 is the minimum, 200 bucks. But yeah, I got it all done there, and gonna do a test drive, see how it does, see if it's less noisy. Hope it is. It took me 4 hours, half the day, and 200 bucks. I just did a drive test with the insulation for the van stuff, and boy, what a difference. It probably knocked it down about a good 80% of the sound. Before, I used to have to ride around with earplugs with these guys, and boy, now it's all I hear is road noise. And I still hear some stuff clanking around in the back, but man, it's probably an 80%. I don't have to wear earplugs anymore. I took it over some bumpy roads and hit some pretty good bumps. And yeah, it's nice. I'm really glad I bought it. Happy with the purchase. Good stuff.